All right, today we have the nickel doorknobs. They are square. I'm going to show you how they come packaged and show you how they look on install. So I'm going to open up the box that it comes in. There's all the directions. And take a look, they are individually wrapped. So each one's individually wrapped, and then there's a bag for all the screws. So I'll put these on, I'll show you how they look. All right, so the nice thing about these knobs is it does come with two size screws. You have your longer screws and your shorter screws. And the one thing about these longer screws, I'll show you, is they have these divots. So you could cut them should you need to. So I do have my cutter. It goes into the 32 slot here. Easy to cut, just measure up what you need. And final products here. So there's my cabinet, and yes, I'm working on this on the fly right now. And there's the screw side of it. There you go.